welcome again. Here's our practice video. This is how we are going to do it. I'll give you some time to solve it. There will be a question between each problem in our video, then I'll solve it and show you how to do it. So go ahead and do a problem 1. Pause the video and do problem 1. Okay, welcome back. Now I'll solve it for you. So let's do it. Excuse me. I'm going to separate my left side and right side. I'm going to take my 2y from the left side, so that's negative 2y minus 2y. What I have left on my left side is 10 plus 10y, and that will be equal to 40. Then I'm going to subtract 10 from both sides. So I have 10y equals 30. Divided by 10, divided by 10, the y is 3. Hope you answer it correctly. Okay, now it's your turn to do 2. Alright, welcome back. This one is a little bit different. It has distributive property. I hope you noticed that. So I will go ahead and do distributive property on this one. So I have to distribute 6. 6 times c is 6c. 6 times 4 is 24. And then I have 4c minus 18. Now it looks something like the problem we did just a few minutes ago. I have to combine like, well, not combine like terms. I have to bring the variable on one side of the equation. So I'm going to separate my equation into 2 parts. I'm going to subtract 4c from both sides of the equations. Okay, that leaves me with 2c plus 24. Now, this is something to be really careful. Make sure what's left on the right side is negative 18. Don't forget that sign in front of the 18. If you forget it, then the answer will be wrong. So make sure you watch for it, okay? Always bring the sign which is in front of the number. They go together, we're like friends. Okay, now we are going to subtract 24. Alright, so I have 2c equals, same sign, add and keep. 4 plus 8 is 12, so that's negative 42. I'm going to divide by 2, c equals negative 21. Okay, hope it worked for you. Okay, let's go and try another one. Alright, go ahead and try number 3. Welcome back once again. Okay, separate. I'm going to add 0.1 to this one. Add 0.1. That leaves me with 0.6 m plus 6.4 equals 4.9. I have to subtract 6.4 from both sides. Okay, so I have 0.6 m. Now on the right side, different sign, so I actually have to subtract. So somewhere on the side, I'll do it under here, but if you can do it on the side if you have room, that's fine. So I have to subtract 6.4 minus 4.9. Okay, that becomes 5. That's 5. So that's negative 1.5. Okay, so that equals negative 1.5. I have to divide by 0.6. 0.6. As you can see, I'm running into a little problem because I have decimals, and I'm dividing by a decimal. So I have to make that decimal a whole number, which means I have to multiply both numbers by 10. If you have a problem with it, see me, and I'll remind you how to divide decimals, okay? So right now we have, so what I'm really doing is 15 divided by 6, because I had to multiply both by 10 so I can get rid of the decimal. How many is 6 in 15? That's 2. 2 times 6 is 12. Subtract 3. There's really a decimal here, so I'm bringing 0. and that's 0.5. The answer is, now I'm dividing negative divided by positive is negative. The answer is negative 2.5. All right. Okay, our last problem for today, number 4. Go ahead and do it by yourself. All right, let's tackle it. And once again, distributive property. Okay, it's 14b equals 16b plus, my computer wants to get restarted. Hopefully we can finish it. Okay, 12, 1, 7, 2, 1, which is 192. Okay, subtract 16 from both sides, which is negative 2b equals 192. The answer will be negative because I'm dividing positive by negative. So it will be half of 100 is 50, half of 90 is 45, half of 2 is 1, so it will be 546 negative. Okay, here's your answer. Hope it went well for you. If you have any questions, once again, please post any questions on the whiteboard. Thank you guys. See ya.